So this was the position of Parikshit, that he became very tolerant. Okay, this is happening. It's the mercy of the Lord. He accepted everything as Krishna's plan. My dear Lord Krishna, Brahma said, one who earnestly waits for you to bestow your causeless mercy upon him, all the while patiently suffering the reactions of his past misdeeds, and offering you respectful obeisances with his heart. Vridvag vapobir viridan namaste. Words and body is surely eligible for liberation, for it has become his rightful claim. So we must always be fully dependent on Krishna and bow down and accept his plan with a humble mind, even if we are unable to comprehend or understand it. How is this? Why is this happening? How is this happening? Oh, anyway, it's happening. Hare Krishna. When something is arranged by Krishna, one should not be disturbed, even if it appears to be reverse according to his calculation. Sometimes we see that a powerful preacher is killed. Sometimes he's put into difficulty, as Haridas Thakur was. He was a great devotee who came into this material world to execute the will of the Lord by preaching the Lord's glories, a parishad. But Haridas was punished at the hands of the Qazi by being beaten in 22 marketplaces. Jesus Christ was crucified. Prahlad was put through so many tribulations. The Pandavas were direct friends of Krishna. They lost their kingdom. Their wife was insulted. They had to undergo severe tribulations. Seeing all these reverses affect devotees, one should not be disturbed. One should simply understand that in these matters there must be some plan of Krishna. The conclusion of the Bhagavatam is the devotee is never disturbed by such reverses. He accepts even reverse conditions as a grace of the Lord. One who continues to serve Krishna, even in the face of all these calamities, obstacles, obstructions and setbacks, or reverse conditions, is assured that he will go back home, back to Godhead. We may be disturbed by some material condition, but if we approach the authority who can actually explain the matter, then our problem will be solved. So the demigods they're often confused about their situation when the demons kick them out or take over their planets. So then they approach Brahma, that he explains the meaning of the disturbance. And after hearing him, then they were happy and peaceful and went back. So we may be confused about something happening in our life, so then we approach the spiritual authority, some suitable qualified Shiksha Guru or Diksha Guru, senior Vaishnava or Vaishnava, and say, why is this happening to me? Why? And then we can hear some philosophical description and possibly get our bearings and become balanced, equipoised, and enthused to continue serving the Lord with sincerity and steadiness.